Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to type something in computer. Have you ever found yourself struggling to type special characters on your computer? Maybe you're typing a report and need to include accents or symbols, but you're not sure how to do it. Fear not, because in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to type something on your computer with ease. Let's learn how to easily type special characters and symbols on your computer. Enable the Windows Touch keyboard by right-clicking on the taskbar. Click the Show Touch Keyboard button to access it easily. If you're on a touchscreen device, simply tap on the Touch keyboard icon. If you're using a non-touchscreen PC, use your mouse to click on the Touch keyboard icon. Long press on the letter you want to add a special character to. Various options for accents and symbols will appear. Select the one you need, and it will be inserted into your document. Now let's explore another method. Click on the Windows Start icon at the bottom left, and then click on the gear icon of Settings. Click on the Time and Language option, and then click on the Language menu from the left panel. Scroll down the right side of the language to the Preferred Languages section, and then click on English, United States. Click on the Options button. Under the Keyboard section, click Add a Keyboard and choose United States International and QWERTY. Now you can use the United States International keyboard. Select ENGINTL from the bottom right on the taskbar. Press the right-hand Alt key along with the appropriate letter for common accents. With these simple methods, typing special characters on your computer becomes a breeze. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon to get updates on new tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.